guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make this amazing peach cobbler bundt cake. This cake was so good, definitely on the list of my favorite cakes now, and it's very simple, so if you want to learn how to make it, make sure to keep watching. The first thing you want to start by doing is adding half a stick of butter. I put too much, I ended up pouring half of it out, but half a stick of butter into your bundt pan and then just put that in the oven while it's preheating while we make the little peach topping really quickly, which is just peaches, brown sugar, and cinnamon. That is probably like 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon that I added, and then you just want to stir this up and add it in to the bundt pan along with the melted butter. In a medium bowl, you want to add 3 sticks of room temperature butter, and then you just want to cream this until nice and smooth. Then you want to add in your sugar to this mixture and mix this until it's nice and combined, and then add your eggs one at a time until it's nice and smooth. Next, you want to add your salt, your cinnamon, and your vanilla extract to this mixture and mix until it's combined. Then you want to add half of your flour mixture to your wet, mix that to combine, add your 1/4 cup of heavy cream, mix that in as well, and then add the rest of your flour to this, and then add your milk, and then mix that to combine. Be careful to not over mix this batter, because as usual, you don't want the cake to turn out dense. Once you finish making your batter, you can now add it to the pan. Before you do, make sure you grease the sides with some kind of butter or non-stick cooking spray so that your cake doesn't stick to the pan. Then you want to set this in the oven at 325 for around an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Once the cake is out the oven, I just let it sit in the pan for around 20 minutes, then I flipped it over into a plate and let it cool for the rest of the time. While my cake was cooling, I got started on the peach topping. This is optional, you don't have to do this since the cake already has peaches on it, but I wanted to do it mostly for decorative purposes. So you first want to start by adding 2 cans of peaches to a medium saucepan, and then you want to add your 1 cup of brown sugar and I used around 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon to this, and I brought it to a boil and let it cook for around 10 minutes. Once that's done, I set it in the fridge just so it can cool a little faster, and I set it in there for around like 15 minutes while I got started on the frosting for the cake. You want to add your cream cheese to a medium-sized bowl. Then you want to whisk this until it's combined, and then just add a cup of powdered sugar to this, and that's on the icing. If you want it to be a little bit more of like a glaze or whatever, you can add a little bit of milk if you want to, but I just left it as is. And that is it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go. Also, make sure to check out the description to get the original recipe link along with the measurements if you want to make this cake for yourself. Also, for the link for my Instagram if you guys want to follow me over there. I post all the cakes I make, and even I'm going to try to do some more little recipes and stuff over there as well that I won't be posting on my YouTube channel. So make sure to also follow me over there for different kinds of recipes. Also, really quickly, I want to say thank you guys for 600 subscribers. I reached it yesterday at the time of filming this. I'm really appreciative and thankful. But yeah, that is it for this week's video. And also, this cake was very good. I really enjoyed it. Definitely on the list of one of my favorite cakes I've made so far. So I really recommend you guys try it out. And if you do try it, let me know in the comments of how you liked it. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!